So we got a question right here from Codename Locust. He was basically asking about our review or walk around with regards to the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid and BYD Sea Lion 6 from YouTube. No, yung ating mga walk around, full walk around for you guys. Wanted to ask about the second row space and comfort of the seats. I'll give you a quick or somehow very short quick review. So, dahil makas kayo sa akin, sagutin natin yan. So, Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid versus BYD Sea Lion 6. Good matchup. It really makes sense because BYD Sea Lion 6 priced around 1,548,000 pesos, and then Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid naman priced around 1.4 million lang din. So, when it comes to the price, value for money, it's really a good matchup. For me, Toyota's reliability versus BYD's hitek sa feature, and of course, yan nga, busog na busog sa mga luxury feels. So to answer the question first with regards to the second row space and comfort, I would have to give it very slightly edge lang naman kay BYD Sea Lion 6 because very slightly bigger. It felt a little bit more spacious. And then, I think big factor din yung kanyang moonroof. Kasi, napakaliwalas yung pakiramdam kasi sa second row. Lalong-lalo na with the leather seats, just really feels very luxurious si BYD Sea Lion 6. And then, si Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid naman is, yan, disadvantage, naka-fabric seats lang siya. And then, spacious din naman yung second row. Then, wala rin siyang sunroof. So, yun lang, talagang medyo I'll gonna give it to BYD Sea Lion 6 with regards to the space, and not just with the second row but also with the drivers, like the cockpit or the interior dito sa front row. Not to mention na sobrang high-tech pa ni BYD Sea Lion 6, lalong-lalo na yung rotating niya na infotainment screen, parang iPad na nagro-rotate. Gustong-gusto ko yun. And then overall, napaka-luxurious na talaga ng feeling sa loob ni Sea Lion 6 as a driver. On the other hand, Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid gets the job done. It has a lot of the things that I would need. Non-negotiable, reverse camera, rear sensors. Medyo less high-tech, but again, Toyota can never go wrong with reliability para sa akin. So go ahead and check my YouTube playlist. Made a crossover SUV playlist for you. Go ahead and watch it. Sana nakatulong. Follow for more.